Hey y'all, it's Sharla from the Hartsel Homestead, and I've got more of a crafty Bible journaling process for you today. Sometimes after several kits, if you're like me, we have a stash of extra pieces from printed or copied pattern papers or like the back of the devotional card. And we just kind of accumulate a lot. And so I like to take these strips and pieces. Here I've got several from previous kits, and these are great pieces to repurpose into little nifty gifties or extra ephemera for other entries. I keep a variety of these paper punches so that I can bust up a paper stash and turn it into usable pieces like these. I've picked these up at Michael's, Hobby Lobby, a number of places. Anywhere there's a crafty spot, I kind of go and search for stuff like this because you can really get a lot of use out of pieces like this in your craft room. But you can order from scrapbook places, Amazon, lots of other places, and options to search and shop. I love the ones that use multiple widths of paper strips because you can really get a lot of variety from those by making bookmarks using longer lengths of paper pieces to journaling or prayer tags with some of those smaller ones. Even use them as gift tags. These are a lot of fun to play with and extend your kit contents. Using these as bookmarks, even adding some of your extra stickers or stamping some phrases on them are also great ways to bring new people into Bible journaling because they are fun off-the-page projects and you can share processes with them without making them feel like they're pressured to go straight onto a page. I know I teach a lot of different workshops and some people are just very hesitant to go straight into their Bible page when they've just learned a new process. So sometimes little projects like this are confident builders for them. I'm also going to create a couple of bookmarks here using these little wooden bookmark blanks. I usually use these in my laser printer and I add scripture or other personalization, but sometimes there are a few in a bundle with imperfections and I really can't use them for that purpose. But I stack them to the side and I can give them a quick paint wash and create a blank slate like I'm going to do here with adding stamps or inking and can just really create a totally different project out of it. Just using the kit tulip stamp here and small word phrases, I can create little messages. Here I put two of the word fetty pieces together to read your word in my heart. I love that little reminder. And these are perfect and inexpensive gifts or simple addition to my Bible. You can make a bunch of these really, really fast. I also made a version using this fabulous kit layering stencil and did the large tulip on it. I think that's absolutely beautiful. These inks look great on that whitewash background and they went on very, very easily and very smooth. You could also brush a quick coat of sealer, something simple like Mod Podge if you wanted to, over the top just to give it an extra layer of protection. While I do love to be journaling and recording on the pages of my Bible, sometimes it's fun just to extend our kit off the pages and create these little extras. What wonderful ways to share Bible journaling with others. I really have enjoyed being here with you today. I'm always up for a crafty day, and I hope you join us for this month's creative study, Hidden Treasures. It's really, really a good one. Y'all have a blessed day.